What if I told you there's a cure that saves your life, but the cure itself could kill you? No, this isn't science fiction. It's real. And we're going to get into the wild story of the crystalline cure. So can a life-saving drug really be deadly? Oh yeah, the answer is a terrifying yes. And the story behind it is just, it's insane. It involves a crisis, a cure that crystallizes, and one tiny piece of tech that changes everything. Okay, so picture this. It all kicks off with one of the most critical emergencies you can imagine, a really serious head injury. See, when the brain starts to swell, it's got nowhere to go. Your skull is basically a sealed box. The official medical term for this is increased intracranial pressure, but let's just translate that. What it really means is that pressure is building up inside your skull and it's literally crushing your brain. It's exactly like a pressure cooker inside your head. The pressure just keeps building and building and building. There's no release valve. And you know something catastrophic is about to happen. Time is running out. And I mean every single second counts. So in this insane race against the clock, what do doctors do? What's their weapon? Well, they bring out the big guns. They turn to this powerful, super fast-acting drug, the supposed hero of our story. That hero is a drug called Mannitol. And how it works is honestly incredible. Just think of it like a super sponge. It gets into your bloodstream and just soaks up all that dangerous excess fluid from your brain tissue. The pressure goes down. It's a total medical miracle. But here's the thing about Mannitol. It has one job and one job only: fight that swelling. That's it. It doesn't care about anything else. Not your blood pressure, not your heart, not your breathing. It is a laser-focused weapon. And you know, that intense focus, that's exactly what leads to its hidden and really dangerous secret. Yeah, because this miracle cure, it has a dark side. A fatal flaw, really. One that can turn it from a lifesaver into a potential killer. Right there in the syringe. If you look at the official literature, it says it so calmly. It says, crystals may form in the solution. Just let that sink in for a moment. Crystals. Wait a minute, what? Are you telling me that the cure, can turn into microscopic shards of glass? Little tiny daggers? And the answer is, yeah, that is exactly what happens. And if that happens, the result is just, it's unthinkable. If those crystals get injected, they go straight into the patient's bloodstream. I mean, think about the damage that would cause. So the very thing that's supposed to save them becomes this brand new, deadly weapon. Okay, but take a breath. There's another hero in this story. And it's a really simple, kind of overlooked little piece of tech that stops this whole disaster from happening. So how do you stop it? How do you fight these microscopic crystal daggers? With this tiny but totally brilliant piece of tech called the filter needle. Seriously, the way this thing works is pure genius. Okay, check this out. The process is so simple, it's brilliant. You draw the mannitol into the syringe, crystals and all. But here's the magic trick. When you inject it, you use this special needle, and inside that needle is a microscopic filter. That tiny little screen catches every single crystal, so only the pure, safe, life-saving medicine actually gets to the patient. Problem solved. A simple filter. That's it. That's literally the one thing standing between a cure and a total catastrophe. It's just an amazing reminder that in medicine, where the stakes are so high, the tiniest little detail can make all the difference in the world. So after hearing all this, what's the one thing, the one golden rule you absolutely have to remember about this incredible drug? What's the one step that can never, ever be skipped? Always use a filter needle. It is not optional. It is not a suggestion. It is the #1 fundamental, non-negotiable rule, period. And it really just leaves you thinking, right? In medicine, and maybe in life too, the smallest detail is everything. The difference between a cure and a catastrophe isn't always some big, dramatic moment. Sometimes it's just one tiny, crucial step done exactly right.